The other day, I was calling a classmate of mine. He's a retired banker. He is now the president of a large realty company. And I was saying, Padre, baka naman pwede may fit tayo. Director na ako ng Stronghold. Sabi niya, malaki kayo. I was so proud to hear that coming from him. He's a banker. So he had checked us out. Why? Because there was a bond issued in their name. They're a big development company. Hindi silang kumuha, yung contractor nila, binigay Stronghold. Chinek nila. Natural. Okay ba itong kumpanya na ito? Diba? So, may alas na tayo. Hindi na mahirap magbenta. Kasi solid ang kumpanya. Okay? So, I hope I have given you enough food for thought. Susunod is food for your stomach. As sabi nga ni Melster, happy selling. And I hope you deliver the vision while riding on the core values of the company. Okay? SICI. Thank you and good night. Happy